Hi folks, Marcus here, CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today I'm going to be cooking plank smoked salmon. Today I'm going to be smoking up some planked salmon on this beautiful bit of kit, the Traeger Bronson. Nice and simple. I've got my plank here, cedar plank. This has been soaking for an hour in water, and I've got some beautiful salmon here, some nice salmon fillets, so I'm going to pop them on here, and a little bit of my new house rub, CountryWoodSmoke House Rub. This is a new product that's just come out and I'm very proud of it, and I'm going to be seasoning up the salmon with this rub. Okay, so the cedar plank's been soaking in water for about an hour. Just brush on some sunflower oil. So nice thick salmon fillets here, lovely. Place those on the board like that. And a little sprinkle of CountryWoodSmoke House Rub. This is my rub, and it goes great on seafood, goes great on pork and chicken. I'm very proud of it. Not too much, just a little over the top. There we go. Piece of lemon for the win. And that is ready to go on the smoker. So simply place your salmon plank on the smoker. I've got this set in smoke mode at about 80 degrees C, and I'll give it half an hour at 80 degrees C before bumping it up to about 110 degrees C to cook through, and we're looking for 60 degrees C on the inside of the salmon. This should give it a wonderful smoky flavour and cook it through. Okay, so I'm just going to make myself up a little glaze for this salmon. Honey, whiskey, a good shot of whiskey, and a squeeze of lemon. This is called my Hot Toddy Glaze because it's how you'd make a hot toddy, just by adding boiling water, but this is going to make a great glaze for that salmon. Once the salmon reaches 50 degrees C, it's taken on quite a lot of smoke, so you can start glazing this wonderful glaze. Beautiful Hot Toddy Glaze going on. There you go. Okay, so these have reached 60 degrees now and are ready. I'm just going to take them out. Okay, so these are looking and smelling amazing. I'm just going to make myself a nice flatbread. I've got these beautiful Swedish Turnbrod flatbreads. Oh, look at that. I'm going to pop a little bit of salad on first. And then some of this wonderful salmon. Look at that, perfectly cooked. Incredible. And then I'm going for a little bit of honey, mustard and dill sauce on top. Beautiful. Let's have a taste. This is wonderful. The salmon's smoky, it's sweet, it's nicely seasoned from the rub. I'm really proud of this little recipe. This is a good one. Nice and simple, and it goes really well with the honey mustard dill sauce. This is definitely a keeper. Really proud of this. That's my house rub. It's wonderful stuff. Great on seafood, on chicken and on pork and most things and vegetables. So really proud of this. There'll be a link below if you want to get your hold of some of this. It should be pretty much readily available now, so get hold of some, give it a try, let me know what you think. And there's a box down there. Please subscribe, like and comment, let me know you like my videos. It's all good. Cheers.